They're building a trap, but I.
But what?
But I just want.
What do you want?
Well, I just it's the sparrow. She saved my life once, and well, can't you kind of sort of spare her a little?
You mean like I spared you once some time ago? Let's see now. Why ever did I do that?
Well,
Because you promised to be my spy in the sky. My friend, I am king of the birds, ruler of the skies. So you understand that when this Oliver tries to turn the birds against me, then he must go. Pardon me, I didn't quite catch the word. That settles that. You dare defy Fagin?
No.
You.
Get me, you hairy hawk.
Who? Where? Isn't he cute?
Keep your claws off those kids!